In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create infographics with NotebookLM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get into NotebookLM, open a source-backed notebook, and turn that content into a polished infographic tailored to your audience. First, open your browser and search for NotebookLM. In the results, click the official Google NotebookLM page labeled as an AI research tool and thinking partner. On the landing page, select Try NotebookLM to open the app. This brings you to the workspace where all your notebooks live. Next, open an existing notebook that already has sources attached. Infographics work best when NotebookLM can draw from solid references, so choosing a notebook with sources helps the tool stay accurate and on topic. Inside the notebook, look for the infographic option and open it to edit. This is where you customize the look and feel before generating. Start with language. Pick the language your audience uses or the one that fits where you'll share the infographic. Setting this now ensures headings, labels, and captions are generated in the right language from the start. Then choose your orientation. Landscape is great for slides, wide banners, and screens. Portrait fits posters, printouts, and many blog layouts. Square is ideal for social feeds where equal dimensions display best. Pick the one that matches where your graphic will live so you don't have to reformat later. Choose a visual style that matches your brand or message. You can keep auto-select for a balanced default, or switch to styles like Sketchnote for a hand-drawn look, Kawaii for playful visuals, professional for a clean corporate feel, scientific for research-heavy topics, anime or clay for more character-driven aesthetics, and others depending on your vibe. Think about your audience and the tone you want to convey. Select the level of detail. Concise keeps text minimal and punchy, standard balances visuals and copy, and detailed includes more explanation and context. If you're targeting quick social consumption, concise is often best. For a presentation or educational handout, detailed can shine. Now describe the infographic you want to create. Be specific about the topic. Key sections must include data points and any structure you prefer, like a comparison layout, a timeline, or a step-by-step flow. Clarity here helps NotebookLM arrange content logically and surface the right highlights. When you're ready, click Generate. Give it a moment to process your sources and description, then review the result for clarity, accuracy, and visual balance. If something feels off, adjust language, orientation, style, detail level, or your description, and generate again until it fits your needs. That's it, your infographic is ready.